Epilepsy is a neurological condition caused by abnormal electrical activity in the brain, leading to recurrent seizures. These seizures can appear in many forms, from brief lapses in awareness to sudden uncontrolled movements, often without warning. Epilepsy is not a sign of weakness, possession, or low intelligence. It is a medical condition that affects millions of people worldwide. With proper treatment, understanding, and support, many people with epilepsy live full and independent lives. Awareness replaces fear with knowledge, and knowledge changes lives.